TRUFLOW Spray Booths is in the business of manufacturing spray booths. That's our core business, but we also have service maintenance and consumable filter services and sales.
The first booth we ever built was in Tasmania for a funeral manufacturer, a funeral casket manufacturer. We successfully did that, and then we moved on to an industrial full downdraft for a company called Rosebank Engineering.
Anton always set out from the start to manufacture a product here locally, and I think that's because it's hard, not because it's easy.
We're probably one of the most stringent industries in Australia in terms, apart from the gas side of things, or electrics, but we have a combination of both, so it becomes even more explosive. And every booth we produce has to be signed off by one of those authorities.
We have a huge range of products that essentially goes across every industry, and we're able to produce products specifically for every industry, whether you're a cabinet maker or whether you're painting planes.
There's a long list of various companies, but the beauty is that all those people that I've mentioned still use us to this day, so we must be doing something very correct.
Those main customers, we provide solutions to them that are customised, and that would be the reason that they select TRUFLOW as their preferred supplier.
One of our core values is engineering, and we sell a lot of products based on that fact. You know, people might say they want this or that, and then we tell them, oh, you can't have that unless you do this. So we don't go to the customer and say, you can't do this, you've got to have this. You know, we sort of find a solution of what they want, and we come up with a design.
I guess I'm most proud of the fact that we are an Australian company, Australian owned, and that we're producing a product that rivals international products, and in my opinion is in many ways better.
It's not only a quality product, people take pride in what they do, you know, and we have to chase them home. Not many companies have that problem. You have to physically tell the person, I think you need to go home.